Angelina Jolie, an internationally renowned actress, filmmaker, and humanitarian, has captivated audiences worldwide with her talent, beauty, and advocacy. From her iconic roles in blockbuster films to her impactful work as a UNHCR Goodwill Ambassador, Jolie's multifaceted career has solidified her as a true icon in both the entertainment industry and global philanthropy. Angelina Jolie was born on June 4, 1975, in Los Angeles, California, USA, as Angelina Jolie Voight. She comes from a family deeply rooted in the entertainment industry, with her father, John Voight, being an established actor. Angelina's early life was marked by a turbulent family environment due to her parents' divorce, which had a significant impact on her upbringing. During her teenage years, Jolie faced challenges in forming emotional connections with others, leading her to resort to self-harm as a coping mechanism. Reflecting on this, she remarked that the act of cutting herself and experiencing pain seemed to provide some form of therapeutic release and make her feel alive. Alongside emotional struggles, she grappled with insomnia and an eating disorder and turned to drug use, trying various substances, including heroin, before she turned 20. Her mental state deteriorated to the point where she contemplated suicide twice, once at age 19 and again at 22, even attempting to hire someone to end her life. Subsequently, at 24, she experienced a nervous breakdown, requiring a 72-hour admission to UCLA Medical Center's psychiatric ward. But she eventually overcame these difficulties and focused on building her acting career, and attended the Lee Strasberg Theater Institute to pursue her passion. Her early work included roles in low-budget films, and she gained attention for her breakthrough performance in the 1995 film Hackers. Jolie's breakout role came in the 1998 HBO television film Gia, where she portrayed the tragic life of supermodel Gia Karanji. Her performance garnered critical acclaim and earned her a Golden Globe Award. Jolie won her first Academy Award for Best Supporting Actress for her role in the 1999 film Girl, Interrupted. She played the character Lisa Rowe, a sociopathic patient in a mental institution. She gained further popularity for her roles in action films like Lara Croft, Tomb Raider, 2001, and its sequel, Lara Croft Tomb Raider, The Cradle of Life, 2003, where she played the iconic video game character, Lara Croft. Throughout her career, Jolie showcased her versatility by taking on various roles in different genres. She starred in movies such as Mr. and Mrs. Smith, 2005, Wanted, 2008, and Salt, 2010, showcasing her action and thriller capabilities. Jolie expanded her career by stepping into directing and producing. Her directorial debut was In the Land of Blood and Honey, 2011, followed by Unbroken, 2014, By the Sea, 2015, and First They Killed My Father, 2017. Jolie portrayed the title character in Disney's Maleficent, 2014, a retelling of the classic fairy tale Sleeping Beauty. She reprised the role in the sequel, Maleficent, Mistress of Evil, 2019. In addition to her Academy Award, Jolie has received numerous awards, including 3 Golden Globe Awards. She's known for her striking performances, both emotionally charged dramas and high-energy action roles. Jolie has received an Academy Award for Best Supporting Actress for her role in Girl, Interrupted, 1999. She has also won 3 Golden Globe Awards, one for the Best Supporting Actress for George Wallace, 1998, one for the Best Actress in a miniseries or motion picture made for television for Gia, 1999, and one for the Best Supporting Actress for Girl, Interrupted, 2000. In 2003, Jolie received the United Nations Correspondents Association Citizen of the World Award. Jolie was awarded the Global Humanitarian Award by the United Nations Association of the USA in 2005. Angelina Jolie was appointed as a Goodwill Ambassador for the United Nations High Commissioner for Refugees, UNHCR, in 2001, and later promoted to the rank of Special Envoy in 2012. Jolie has been actively involved in various charitable causes, advocating for human rights, refugee rights, conservation, and women's rights, among others. Jolie's philanthropy has had a significant impact on raising awareness about global issues and bringing attention to the needs of vulnerable communities. Her dedication to making a positive change has earned her respect as both a talented artist and a compassionate humanitarian. Angelina Jolie's personal life has been widely covered by the media due to her high-profile relationships and family. Jolie has been married 3 times. Her first marriage was to British actor Johnny Lee Miller in 1996, but they divorced in 1999. She then married American actor Billy Bob Thornton in 2000, but they separated in 2002. Her most publicized relationship was with fellow actor Brad Pitt, whom she met on the set of the film Mr. and Mrs. Smith in 2004. At that time, Brad Pitt was married to Jennifer Aniston. The situation became a subject of intense media scrutiny, and the media often portrayed Angelina Jolie as the other woman responsible for the breakdown of Brad Pitt and Jennifer Aniston's marriage. This portrayal fueled public discussions and debates about the nature of their relationship and the timeline of events. However, they became one of Hollywood's power couples and got married in 2014. Though they filed for divorce in 2016, and their separation became highly publicized. Angelina Jolie has 6 children. 3 are adopted: Maddox from Cambodia, Pax from Vietnam, and Zahara from Ethiopia. She has 3 biological children, Shiloh and twins Knox and Vivienne. Jolie has been open about her health struggles and preventive medical decisions. In 2013, she underwent a preventive double mastectomy after discovering she carried a gene mutation that increased her risk of breast cancer. Later, in 2015, she had her ovaries and fallopian tubes removed to reduce the risk of ovarian cancer. In conclusion, Angelina Jolie's remarkable career has established her as not only a versatile actress, but also a dedicated humanitarian and influential advocate. Her captivating performances on screen, combined with her unwavering commitment to philanthropic efforts, have solidified her as an icon in the entertainment industry and a beacon of compassion worldwide. Jolie's ability to balance her artistic achievements with her philanthropic endeavors exemplifies her enduring impact on both the entertainment world and the global community.